Welcome to Shed Life with Multimarine. In this episode we look at the process involved in vacuum bonding the foam core onto a gel and glass skin that has been hand laminated with 2 layers of 0.90 and 45 biaxial glass. This forms the outside skin. Andy, Dermot and Lee are experienced laminators and are working with young Jordan to prepare him for an apprenticeship that he's expressed an interest in doing. His dad works as a laminator at the yard. First, the teams have prepared the surface with a fine sanding, a good vacuum cleaning and then a thorough wipe down to remove as much dust as possible and any grease. Here you can see them preparing the bag which will be used to create the vacuum. It's really important to ensure a strong seal so no air can enter the bag. The team tell me that it's definitely worth taking the extra time to do the job meticulously. The polythene is then carefully held out of the way so the foam core can be put into place. Once the catalyst has been mixed with the core bond base, the Crestomer, it doesn't take long to go off, so the team will have to move quickly. It's important that they have their strategy planned out ahead of time, with everything they'll need laid out in advance and ready to go. The Crestomer core bond base is then mixed thoroughly with the catalyst, and the team then have about an hour to complete the preparation for vacuuming. They have to work fast and efficiently to make sure the foam core is vacuumed to the glass skin before the bond base begins to go off.